Stay on I-294 North and then.
At the latest. With business at 23 and 53 from the Bloomberg Newsroom, Denise Pellegrini, News Radio 105.9 WBBM.
We have a crash cleanup on the tri-state. The details and traffic and weather together coming up next. It's 2:55.
We all hear the radio ads about the IRS. They tell you to be afraid.
Keep right onto I-294 North.
Tax Relief Advocates is different. TRA is here to tell you that if you owe money to the IRS, whether it's $5,000, $50,000, or $500,000, we have a solution. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in your car, at work, or with your kids. No matter where you
Toll ahead.
800-566.
Route recalculating. Turn left onto Central Avenue and then turn left. Turn left onto Central Avenue and then turn left. Turn left onto Frontage Road. In 0.3 miles, turn right onto South Park Avenue and then turn left. Route recalculating.